was found not guilty after stabbing a boyfriend to death 108 times. After stabbing a boyfriend to death 108 times, a California woman was found not guilty. 26-year-old Chad O'Malley lost his life to the person whom he had believed to be his lover. On the 28th of May, police received a call leading to Chad's apartment. Upon arrival, they stumbled upon a vicious scene of Breen carrying a 9-inch knife and using it to penetrate the corpse of a then lifeless boyfriend. What had happened was Breen, the girlfriend who was 33 years old, and Chad, the boyfriend who was 26 years old, had been smoking marijuana. And then all of a sudden, there was blood. The most shocking part about this story is the judgment of the California magistrate of sentencing Breen to just 100 hours in community service. Imagine stabbing a person 108 times and you only received 100 hours in community service, not even a day in prison. Why did Breen receive 100 hours in community service instead of prison time? Because when she committed this act, she was high on cannabis, and the defense claimed it was a marijuana-induced psychosis. She didn't do this act willingly. She was high. She was intoxicated. So this murder was labeled as involuntary manslaughter. Do you think this judgment was fair?